Hello everyone and welcome back to Comcrafty. Today I have another kind of video for you and I really hope you will find it useful. It's about what software I'm using to voice over my videos, to narrate them, and how I clean the sound file in order to obtain a crisp sound. So, the software I'm using is called Audacity, and you have it here. This is how it looks when it's open. So in order to record, you press the red button first. That's all you have to do. And then when you're done, you press the square button, the stop button, basically. As you can see here, I have a file. This is how it looks, what I have recorded, and you can see that there are some just some points, of time where there is just a line. Well, that means that there I haven't actually talked, so it's just background noise. So it's basically mute, but it's not perfectly clean. So in order for me to obtain a crisp sound, I select this period of time when I don't talk, yes, where it's just background noise. I select it and I go to Effect in Noise Reduction and I click Get Noise Profile. I get this button up, first one up. Okay, now I select the whole file, go again to Effect, again Noise Reduction, and now I just press OK. And by doing this, I'm actually applying that sound profile to the whole file, therefore thereby cleaning it. And this is how you obtain a crisp file, a crisp sound. Because sometimes it can happen that your sound can have some background noise depending what happens in the other room or in the apartment above you, or just outdoors, even though one usually closes the windows, but you never know. So this is how I do. I really hope that this will be of help for you, and I will be seeing you on the next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.